In this video, we are going to talk about how much money to make to be in the 1%. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel Top Finance for the future updates. Income of the top 1%. The earnings required to fall in the top 1% vary by state but generally amount to several $100,000 per year of household income. For example, in Alabama, the top 1% of earners make about $430,000 or more annually, while in Connecticut the figure is closer to $900,000. To put these numbers in perspective, the median household income in the United States was just over $67,500 in 2020. The top 1% of earners, then, make almost 9 times the median income in the United States. The people who earn enough to meet this threshold work in a range of industries and include doctors, lawyers, business owners and executives, but this also varies regionally. Top 1% net worth. Income is one way to measure financial success, but it's certainly not the only method. Another common metric is net worth, which is the total value of a household's assets minus liabilities. Data shows that an American household needs to have a net worth of at least $10,374,030 to be in the top 1% of the United States. To put this in perspective, the median net worth in the United States was $121,760 in 2019, meaning that half of all Americans have a net worth of less than this amount. The top 1% of Americans, then, have a net worth that is more than 85 times the median net worth in the United States. As with income, however, the amount you need to have to be in the top 1% of net worth varies by state. In Connecticut, for example, you would need a net worth of at least $3,603,629 to be in the top 1%, while in Mississippi you would only need $766,205. How to be in the top 1%. An individual could enter their state's top 1% income threshold with the help of advanced education, entrepreneurship and investments. This could be done over the course of a career or a lifetime. However, no path is guaranteed to generate the kind of wealth that will propel you into your state's top earners. Every career has high and low earners. Many startups don't succeed, and every investment carries risk. Individuals and families who have made it into America's or the world's top 1% net worth category have usually done so over time. Achieving this threshold can require years, if not decades, of wealth building, entrepreneurship and investing. Many of the world's top 1% have built on generational wealth. There's no simple solution for a person to enter the world's top 1%. It often requires either a substantial inheritance to begin with or starting a company that quickly becomes a massive industry leader, such as Amazon.com or Tesla. Obviously, there's no way to plan for either of those eventualities. Whether you measure it by income or net worth, the top 1% is a select group. But it's important to remember that the bar for entry varies depending on where you live. So, if you're wondering if you're in the top 1%, it's best to compare yourself to others in your state or local area. How much would I have to make to be in the top 0.1%? Your annual wage would have to be almost $3.21 million. This is an all-time high as of 2020, and 2021 looks to set another record. According to the 2022 Forbes Annual Wealthiest list, the number of billionaires in the world decreased by 87. And 1,000 of them are richer than they were a year ago. This shrinking of the billionaire might continue faster due to the era of generative AI and who will own the algorithms and the computing power to control the expected transformation in the economy shaped by technology. The United States has more billionaires than any other country, 735. China, including Hong Kong and Macau, is close behind with 607. Only 8 of America's billionaires are African American. Businessmen Robert Frederick Smith and David Stewart, Oprah Winfrey, Kanye West, Rihanna, Michael Jordan, Jay-Z, and Tyler Perry. To be a top earner in the United States, the wealthiest have grown richer much faster than the rest of the population since 1979. Income disparity stands out in particular among the highest and lowest earners in regards to how the distribution of wages has changed since then. That's it for this video. What do you think of our video? Let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button as well as leaving a like before you go. Thanks for watching.